Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of a LeetCode, which is largest number at least twice of other. So here is given a vector nums, and you have to where the largest integer is unique. Unique in the sense it is largest element, and it is the largest element in an array and at least twice as much as every other number. Okay, means twice of every number. And if it is follows the rule of a unique, then you have to return the index of a largest element, and if it is not following, then you just have to return the -1. Okay, so here is an example given: 3, 6, 1 and 0. So so the 6 is the largest element in every other element. Okay, you have to check whether it is a twice of every other element or not. Twice means greater than twice. Okay, so yeah, it is equal to the 3, twice of 3. So yeah, it is valid. And the twice of 1 is 2. Of course it is greater than 2. The 6 is greater than 2. And the twice of 0 is again, so it is greater than, it is less than 6. So you have to return the index of 6. Okay, in the same way, there is no element, there is 1 and 2 which is twice of 4, but 3 is only the element. If you take the twice of 3, you will get the 6. Okay, which is greater than 4, so you have to return the -1. Okay, so let's do this. Int largest is equals to nums of 0. Okay, and then second largest equals to -1. Okay, and int idx equals to 0. And again I will traverse through the vector for int I equals to 0. Sorry, it will start from 1 and I less than nums dot size, and then I plus plus. If nums of I is greater than largest, then you just have to do idx of idx equals to I, and then second largest equals to the largest, and largest equals to nums of I. Okay, else if you have to check the condition, if nums of I is less than largest and nums of I is greater than second largest, then you have to do second largest is equals to nums of I. Okay, and after this loop, you have to check again the condition: if largest is greater than equals to twice of second largest element or not. If it is following, then you just have to return idx. Okay, else you just have to return -1. So here is the, so let's run this code. Okay, second largest, spelling is wrong. Again the spelling is wrong. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this code. Yeah, this code has been accepted. Thanks for watching.